Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to add a logo to a video clip on Filmora9 on a Mac. My name is Dr. Sarbjit Singh. Let's get going. Hello guys, let's do the tutorial. I will open my Finder window and go to the folder where I've got the clip and also the logo that I want to add to the clip, and I will drag them into the browser window. Once I've done that, I will click on the video clip and bring it down to the timeline, and after that I will bring down the image or the logo and drop it over the or above the track of the video. And once I've done that, I will select it. You will know that it's selected when there is an orange or a yellow line around the logo or the image. Once you have clicked that, then you click on this edit icon. This window will open up, the edit window. So we go to videos, and then if this is transform is not checked, check it, and once you have checked it, you will be able to see these small squares around the logo on the preview window. So you drag it to resize your logo and also to reposition it. If you want to change the transparency of this logo, you can go to the compositing, make sure this is checked, and then you can slide this bar back to reduce the opacity. You can see that the opacity is much less now. So once you have done that, if you want to add a drop-in shadow, you can add a drop shadow. And if whenever you are happy with it, you just click on OK, and your logo is now on the video clip. Now you drag the logo in the timeline to the end of the video clip. You can click here and zoom out so that you can see the whole clip, and now you can drag it again to bring it to the end of the video or till wherever you want. So now this is your video is ready. If you play the video, you will see that the logo is there wherever you had put it, and all ready to be exported or saved as a file. So to export it, you click on export, and then you click on create video, and then you can save it wherever you need to save. If it's a free version of Filmora, of course, that will have a watermark on it. If you have paid for it, of course, the watermark will go away. Hopefully, you now know how simple it is to put a logo onto your video clip on Filmora9. Enjoy, have fun with it. See ya. If this is your first time to my channel, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any new videos that I put up on my channel. Thank you and have a nice time.